Right now, somewhere in a small apartment or co-working space, a group of developers is building the next billion-dollar AI company, not in Silicon Valley, not in a corporate lab, but from laptops, coffee shops, and cloud servers. These startups aren't just creating tools, they're creating industries. In the next 5 years, AI-driven startups will outpace traditional companies in innovation, speed, and impact. They'll automate industries, reinvent the workforce, and reshape economies before most people even realize what's happening. The next Google or Amazon won't be built by tech giants. It'll be built by AI itself. Welcome to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore artificial intelligence, future tech, and the tools that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into the future of AI startups. In the early 2000s, it was the dot-com boom. In the 2010s, it was mobile apps and social media. Now, it's AI. Startups around the world are leveraging artificial intelligence to disrupt every sector imaginable: finance, healthcare, transportation, retail, and even creative arts. Unlike traditional companies, these startups don't just use AI, they're built on it. That means they can move faster, scale instantly, and operate with minimal overhead. One person with the right AI tools can now do the work of an entire department. That's not just efficiency, it's a revolution. The most exciting part of the AI startup wave is accessibility. In the past, launching a tech company required millions in funding, years of development, and large teams. Today, a solo founder with access to cloud AI APIs can prototype, train, and deploy a working product in days. Tools like OpenAI's GPT models, Midjourney, and Stability AI have made creativity and technical development nearly frictionless. AI doesn't just make things faster, it makes the impossible possible for anyone with an internet connection. This is the startup renaissance of our time. The traditional startup model, co-founders, investors, office space, is rapidly being replaced by micro-startups. A single entrepreneur can now build automated systems that write code, handle marketing, and even generate content. They can run ads, analyze metrics, respond to customers, and scale, all without hiring a single employee. AI doesn't just reduce costs, it removes them. These micro-startups can test ideas faster, pivot instantly, and stay lean enough to outmaneuver even the biggest corporations. In the new world of business, small isn't a disadvantage, it's an edge. Venture capitalists are pouring billions into AI innovation. In 2023 alone, AI startups raised over $40 billion in funding, many of them before even releasing a product. Why? Because the payoff potential is enormous. AI isn't just improving industries, it's creating them. From AI-driven law firms to automated research labs, investors see a future where data, algorithms, and creativity merge to produce exponential returns. The startups that succeed won't just make money, they'll redefine what a company even is. AI is leveling the global playing field. Innovation is no longer bound to San Francisco or London. From Lagos to São Paulo to Bangalore, developers are launching startups that compete globally from day one. With access to cloud computing, global APIs, and AI infrastructure, geography no longer limits opportunity. A teenager in Vietnam can now compete with a Silicon Valley engineer and win. The next great innovation won't be built where you are. It'll be built by what you use. Here's something to think about. What if the next trillion-dollar startup isn't founded by a human at all, but with one? Stay tuned, because the next part of this story reveals how AI is starting to become the co-founder of the future. The idea of AI as a team member isn't science fiction anymore. Startups are already using AI to write code, forecast markets, design UI, and even make business decisions. Some founders now treat AI like a silent partner, an intelligent collaborator that offers ideas, performs research, and drafts entire proposals in seconds. It doesn't need sleep, doesn't argue, and scales infinitely. The startups that succeed in the future won't fight AI, they'll partner with it. Because soon, the question won't be who built this company, it'll be what built it. The magic of AI startups lies in automation. With AI systems handling repetitive work, data analysis, scheduling, support, founders can focus on creativity, growth, and strategy. This shift allows startups to scale globally without increasing headcount. Imagine a company that runs itself AI doing the marketing, customer retention, accounting, and even recruitment, all autonomously. That's not the future of business. That's the present of startups. Of course, the AI gold rush isn't without challenges. Regulation, ethics, and sustainability remain major hurdles. AI systems can hallucinate, spread misinformation, or create biased outputs that harm users. And as automation scales, millions of traditional jobs risk disappearing overnight. AI startups walk a fine line between innovation and disruption. The ones that survive will be those that use AI responsibly, balancing profit with purpose. For all its risks, AI might finally make entrepreneurship truly universal. People who've never had access to capital, education, or opportunity now have the tools to build global solutions. The next big AI startup might not come from a billionaire's garage, but from a bedroom in Nairobi or a dorm room in Delhi. AI doesn't care who you are or where you live. It only responds to imagination. And that's the beauty of this new era. Over the next 10 years, we'll see startups emerge that are fully AI-driven, from decision-making to delivery. The business landscape will shift from managing humans to orchestrating systems. Entire sectors will operate autonomously. Startups that can function 24/7, learning and evolving in real time. The next generation of founders won't just build companies. They'll build intelligent ecosystems, and those ecosystems will redefine what success looks like. The future of startups isn't about bigger budgets or larger teams. It's about smarter systems. AI is giving creators, developers, and dreamers the power to build businesses that can grow themselves. Whether AI destroys jobs or creates new ones isn't the real question. The real question is, how will you use it? Because in the next era of innovation, those who understand AI won't just work for the future, they'll own it. If you found this video inspiring, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence and future tech. And in our next video, we'll explore one of the most powerful and life-saving uses of AI yet: AI in disaster response. From predicting natural disasters to coordinating rescue missions, you'll see how AI is helping humanity survive the worst moments.